What are you doing? What are you doing? Eh? Are you naughty?
Well, the crocodile, the most noticeable thing is just the incredible weight of it. I mean, it's probably about the weight of a sack
You
of
bad
potatoes.
girl.
I couldn't hold it like this. Takes a bite, locks its
Hey!
back muscles, and begins to spin.
What you doing?
This is known as the death roll.
Dax. Hey? You sitting comfortably? You sitting comfortably? Eh? You sitting comfortably? And she's still there. 10 minutes later.